The color is something different, like bird. Excuse me. Quite spicy. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We are Plum Puddings.
And we are back with a new video for
Yes.
all of you.
So today we are going to do a cooking showdown. So what are we going to do, Priya?
We have a competition for 4 of us where we have to make a dish out of eggs, which is common, and particular ingredients will be given by the chef himself.
Yes. So today we have 4 competitors. That's our family members only. I'll be calling them for introduce themselves. Okay, come on guys.
Come on!
So these are the competitions. Give a cheer up, no? Yes. So they're gonna compete today. I will introduce each and everyone. So this is Priya. Everybody knows her, right? It's one of the plum pudding. And
Anika.
yes, my cousin.
Anshul.
My cousin as well.
Pushpa.
Yes, and Andian. So they'll be competing each other, and today is a competitions all about eggs. So they have to make an omelette or any dish, whatever they like, with eggs. So the thing is, we have rules and regulations, so they have to follow that. So what are the rules and regulations, Priya?
The rules and regulations 1 point, you have to make everything in 5
Yes,
minutes.
just 5 minutes.
കട്ടിങ് ചോപ്പിംഗ് എല്ലാം ഉണ്ടാവിടെ എന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നു അതനുസരിച്ച് ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ എല്ലാം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് within 5 minutes. Cooking time, presentation time,
Yeah.
plating time, everything in 5 minutes.
Thing is, they don't know any of the ingredients what I'm giving to them. I'm giving basically 14 ingredients. They don't know yet. They'll be get to know about when they're coming for cooking, right? So the basic ingredients what you're giving is normal masalas, Indian masalas, and some salt, and the utensils and pans are normal that we have to give. Only that I'm giving. The rest of the things they have to do. They have to improvise themselves, and they have to do an omelette or fried egg, anything. They have to cook it in 5 minutes, and they have to plate it in 5 minutes itself. So they don't know any. You guys know any ingredients? Any idea?
No. Salt and pepper.
Oh.
Egg.
Of course, egg.
Egg, yeah. Egg, of course. We can't make an omelette with the egg or what? We can make, but it's later. So, are you guys ready for the competition?
Yes!
Then give a cheer up! Yay! So, guys, these will be the ingredients I will be giving to them for the cooking showdown. So, these are the 14 ingredients. So, which we have some common oil, and we have some sauces, we have some dairy products, we have some veggies,
Okay, so let's start. But ഇതൊക്കെ എന്താ അറിയില്ല കുറേയൊക്കെ എനിക്കൊന്നും അറിയില്ല അപ്പോഴേ എന്തെങ്കിലുമായിരിക്കും അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഞാൻ പൊട്ടിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു എഗ്ഗാണ് മെയിൻലി ആയിട്ട് ഞാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് 2 എഗ്ഗാണ്
Hello, so today I'm going to make, I don't know, can't you please? Okay, so I'll start.
A few moments later.
I'm not going to explain anything because we have very short time.
എൻ്റെ ദൈവമേ എന്തൊക്കെ സാധനങ്ങളാ എന്തായാലും ഓംലെറ്റിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കേണ്ടത് നല്ല ഇഞ്ചി പോക്കൊക്കെ പോയേ അയ്യോ അടിച്ച കുറച്ച് കൂടിപ്പോയി എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു ബാക്കിൽ വേണമല്ലോ അല്ലേ? കുറച്ചിടാം, കുറച്ച് പേപ്പർ ഇടാം.
കുറച്ച് സോൾട്ട് ഇടാം. ഇത് ചൂടായിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ വിൽ ടേക്ക് സം ഓയിൽ, നോർമൽ വെജിറ്റബിൾ ഓയിലാണ്. വിൽ പുട്ട് സം. ഓക്കെ, സോ മെയിനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഇന്ത്യൻ സ്റ്റൈലിൽ കുറച്ച് ഓണിയൻ ഇടുക. കുറച്ച് ഓണിയൻ ഇടാം. ദെൻ വി ക്യാൻ പുട്ട് സം.
So I'm beating these yolks. I separated it, and now I'll pour the yolks. Okay. So next, I'll then I'll add this.
So hope you know about all the ingredients.
Yeah, kind of. Should have got some of the capsicums.
ഓംലെറ്റ് ഇല്ലേ? അപ്പം എന്തേ ഉള്ളില്ലാത്ത ഓംലെറ്റ്? എന്തൊക്കെ സാധനങ്ങളാണ് അത് ഡെലിവറി ഷോപ്പാ? മുളക് വേണം, എരി വേണം എന്തായാലും. ഓംലെറ്റില്ലേ? കുറച്ച് ഫ്ലേവറിന് വേണ്ടി കുറച്ച് കറിയൊക്കെ കറിയിട്ടിരിക്കട്ടെ. ഷെഫിൻ്റെ കത്തിയാണ്. അതാണ്ട് സ്പിനാച്ചും ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ എല്ലാം ഇടാം. കുറച്ച് തക്കാളി ഇടാം. എന്താ ഇങ്ങനെ കൊണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? അയ്യോ, 5 മിനിറ്റിൽ ഓംലെറ്റ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് തരാണെങ്കിൽ 5 മിനിറ്റിൽ ഓംലെറ്റ് ആവും. അയ്യോ, കുറച്ച് കളർ വരാൻ വേണ്ടി ടൊമാറ്റോ പേസ്റ്റ് ഇടാം. ഗ്രീൻ കളർ ഇരിക്കട്ടെ. അല്ല, ഗ്രീൻ അല്ല, പേസ്റ്റ് റെഡ് കളറാണ്. സോറി.
നമുക്ക് ഇതിലോട്ട് കുറച്ച് സോൾട്ട് ഇടാം. ഓൾറെഡി എഗ്ഗിൽ സോൾട്ട് ഉണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ഫ്ലേവറിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കുറച്ച് സോൾട്ട് കൂടി ഇടാം. കൂടിപ്പോയി നോക്കാം. ഞാൻ നോർമൽ ഓംലെറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ കണ്ടതാണ്, പക്ഷേ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ട്രൈ. ഇത് വേറൊരു പ്രശ്നമില്ല, ബട്ടർ മെൽറ്റ് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നോക്കാം. ട്രൈ ബെസ്റ്റ്.
Two minutes to go, Ani.
2 minutes? What is this? It's not fair. It's not even cooking.
Come on, you can do it.
It's flat.
What's the time left?
We have 2 minutes.
Oh God.
അല്ലാത്ത സമയത്ത് ഓംലെറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുമ്പോൾ അടിച്ചാൽ പതഞ്ഞ് വരും. ഇതാണെങ്കിൽ പതയുന്നില്ല. ഇനി ഞാനിപ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് പാനിൽ കുറച്ച് ബട്ടർ ഇട്ടു.
We have 3 minutes left.
അയ്യോ, ഓംലെറ്റിന് കുറച്ച് ഈസിയാക്കാം. ഇത് മതി. വേഗം വേഗം സമയമാകും.
Cook. Cook. Cook that.
We have 1 minute 15 seconds. The clock is ticking. 1 more minute to go.
എഗ് ഞാൻ ഇട്ടിട്ടില്ല. എന്ത്?
You have 55 seconds left.
അയ്യോ, 55 സെക്കൻഡ്സിൽ ഇത് വേർത്തില്ല.
You want more? 1 more minute? I can give you, but minus 1 mark.
I will see.
45 seconds to go.
It's not cooking.
If you want, I will give you 1 minute more.
1 minute, please.
So it should be like 1 minute means minus 1 marks from your total marks.
Okay. It's not cooking. It's not cooking.
ആയിട്ട് ഒരു 1 more minute പോകണം. നോക്കാം. You put some money. കുറച്ച് corn. എല്ലാം കുറച്ചിടാം. Let's see some tomato paste പോടാം. കൈ വരാണെങ്കിൽ
ഇത്രയും അധികം സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ വേണം ഒരു ഓംലെറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. ഇതൊരു വല്ലാത്ത ചാലഞ്ച് ആയി പോയി.
You have 18 seconds more.
How long?
We have 15 seconds. You should play it in 12 seconds. Four, three, two, one. Away from the plate, please. I am giving you 1 more minute to cook.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു ഇനി വേണം
So it will be like minus 1 point from your marks.
ഓക്കെ ഫൈൻ
Yeah.
Yes. 32 seconds.
How much?
30 seconds to go. Last 30 seconds. Okay, you have to play 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2,
2,
1, 0.
0.
Back
Done.
off.
Are you ready with your omelette? Yeah.
ഞാൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ ഡിഷ് ഒന്ന് അടുപ്പിക്കാം 5 മിനിറ്റ് നോക്കാം.
ഹലോ ഗൈസ്, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ കുക്കിംഗ് ഷോഡൗണിൻ്റെ ഫിനാലെ ആയ നമ്മുടെ മാർക്ക് നോക്കേണ്ട സമയമാണ്. അവരെന്തൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. 4 പേര് 5 മിനിറ്റിൽ കുക്ക് ചെയ്തതാണ്. 2 പേര് മാത്രം എക്സ്ട്രാ 1 മിനിറ്റ് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, അനി ആൻഡ് അൻഷുൽ. അപ്പോൾ അവർക്ക് -1 പോയിന്റ് ആയത് തന്നെ. ദെൻ Mema also, okay, the Pushpa also took 1 minute extra. So I think only Priyanka did it 5 minutes. So I'll check each and everything. So yeah, let's start tasting it. It looks messy actually, but I think a lot of vegetables. Okay. There is no salt. Then okay, salt is preferable. Salt actually table guest you can put the salt and pepper on the table so they can prefer accordingly. Average doesn't say use here. Could say like taste is there, somewhat some taste is there, but it's not cooked properly. It's not cooked right actually. Only 30% is cooked. Lots of vegetable, and yeah, so I could give like already I could give in 10. I could give 5 marks in for this. Okay, so they did try it, and okay, somewhat on time they put it on the plate. Okay, so അടുത്ത് നോക്കാം നമുക്ക്. The presentation okay, they put something, but we can't have the spinach raw. It's raw on top. Okay, even they mean for decoration, we can't have the raw decoration, right? So we can have that. Let's see. Too much of masalas. I think she put too much of masala as a decoration also. So too much of masala, you can have it. Too much of masala, I think, and she didn't cook anything. It's okay, even it's okay, fine. And she put the cheese like that. What she thought, I think, what she thought is something different, because she want to cook like egg white and egg yolk separate. That's a nice idea actually, but you should think like in 5 minutes what you could do as an omelette to improvise yourself. Okay, you can make a different type of omelette, different style, but you should have time for that. So what you have to think is in 5 minutes what you have to do. So for this, this is not up to the mark, so I could give the same 4.5 marks. Okay, but it's cooked actually, little bit cooked rather than that one. Still, yeah, because of the masalas and the overpowering, there is too much of masalas and it's not cooked properly. And I'll take the second one, third one. Okay, good. But even the curry leaf there, she put it like as a garnish. It's not cooked properly, just a leaf. And a small portion of omelette. It's good, looks good. And she used sprout also. That's nice. The sprouts giving a really nice texture to the omelette. So when you have this soft scrambled egg, so you have the crunchy inside. It's a good one, but there is no spices like she didn't use any salt and pepper. I meant, yeah, there is no salt and pepper. So that was a mark, and she cooked on time also. So I could give 7.5. So we could taste the fourth one. Its color is little dark, but still inside it's soft, but it little spicy. The spiciness is overpowering it. Yeah, she used the cheese also. The corn she used, spinach. Spinach also cooked. It's also good. Presentation like little childish, but it's okay. So I could give 8 marks to that. Okay, because the color was little dull. So the 8 marks for that. So I'll call my contestants. So I don't know who all made all. So I'll call them and we'll give them marks. So guys, these are the contestants. They are compete for the omelette challenge and egg challenge. So we are cooking cheythathu. So the marks I'm gonna reveal to them now. So for this one, I'm giving. So for this this scrambled egg, I can't say what is this actually, but I've given 5 marks because you tried something nice. But whose scrambled egg is this? So Anshul, you have taken already 1 minute more, so I'm giving -1. So your mark will be 4. And this is okay, but thing is she didn't cook anything properly. It was like cheesy down. Just she put the cheese down. But she did something. It's okay, but I'm giving her 4.5. So yours, right? So -1 because she also took 1 minute extra. So it would be like 3.5 marks. And who's this?
Me.
Priyanka. Given you, it's a good one. It's a small portion, good portion. But the garnish, which we are not supposed to put like this, should be at least fried or something, or you could have put inside also. So I'm giving you 7.5, and you have did it on time. On 5 minutes you did, so 7.5. And this is Pushpa's. Good one. I like the taste. Only little spicy for me, but it was nice texture inside, soft. Only outside is little dark, but still fine. And the garnish, little childish, but it's okay. But it's okay. Even if it is old, but the heart should be 80, right? So it's no issues. So I'm giving you 8 marks. Okay, but you have taken 1 more minute, so I'm giving -1. So you have 7. So the winner is Priyanka. So you guys have seen what all dishes I come up. So you know things right. There is no cheating or nothing's going on. So accordingly, I've given a mark to Priyanka. So she did well. And second is Mema, Pushpa of course, and third Anshul. And these are kids now, so not an issue. They can do well. No issue. So hope you guys enjoy the video. This is just our first cooking showdown. We'll be coming more
videos soon.
more soon.
More
So
times.
you guys know what to do, right? So like,
Share
subscribe.
Press the bell icon.
To receive all the new notifications and updates.
and keep watching
Black Boris!